Hey guys, check this out. It's a sea urchin, kind of washed up on the, or just left behind by the tide. But check it out. So often we think about these sea urchins as just almost like plants, where they're like fastened onto a rock or something like that and stay there. But here this one is moving around. It's got this tiny little bit of water right here that's left over from the tide, and that'll probably be gone in a couple hours once that sun really gets to shining. So this guy's kind of in a bad way. I think what we'll do is help out. Let's see if I can do this without getting poked. There we go. Let's take you to a better tide pool. There's one over there. One that's a little more constructive for the survival thing. I imagine these guys, because I'm sure this happens from time to time. I don't see dead sea urchins all over the place out on land, so I imagine, like a lot of things, they can kind of hunker down in whatever way they do, where they can be without water until the next tide comes up. However, if it doesn't have to, then maybe that's all the better, right? I mean, if I lived in the water and had to go without, I think I'd rather get to habit again. So, let's put you back into the water. Looks like it got me anyway. No good deed goes unpunished, right? Let's see. Are you smiling? I don't see a smile, but I'm going to assume there's a smile there. Let's watch it start moving here in a second. You see all the little spines moving around. There we go. It's starting to crawl, or whatever it is you call it that does it. Yeah, it's funny because often I think about these things more often like a plant, and it's really more like a starfish. There he is, just moving, traveling sea urchin. All right. So this is what the spine looks like close up. That's where it attaches to the body. And this is what the body looks like. Well, the shell of it. The body goes over it, I guess. All the spines and... Is it spines or quills? I wonder. Do you guys know? Spines or quills? Anyway, this is what the shell looks like. And on the inside here on the bottom is where I'm assuming the crawling around portions, feet or whatever limbs, or maybe it crawls around on its mouth. I don't know, but this bears further investigation, doesn't it? If you guys know the dynamics of how these things are, live, breathe, and move, then share it with us. But there you have it. That's just really cool. I love finding these things. All right, well, have a better day, Mr. Sea Urchin or Mrs. Sea Urchin. And all you guys, have a great day too. Catch you later. Aloha.